Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In this video we are going to answer a secret code for your treasury as I used to provide it daily. If this is the first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So as you can see, like here is the interface of my Telegram mini app for the treasury. So as you can see, like as we used to click on the hint in this theater, like today we are going to click on the hint that the code I will be revealing so that we should go and import it. So let's click on the follow. So as you can see, like here is the code which is arrangement. So we are going to import it so that we should confirm our code. So let's come for a quiz, for a quest. Let's come for activities like here. Let's import our code. So let's write RAM1. So let's click on check. So congratulations, we have been imported the correct code. So here it is. So if this is the first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video.